What if I told you that before muscle cars roared, before supercars screamed, before horsepower was measured in ego and exhaust notes, there was a time when style ruled the road, when chrome spoke louder than speed, and when a family sedan could still stop traffic without even trying. Because this right here is not just a car, this is 1958 America on 4 white wall tires. You're looking at a 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air 4 door hardtop, a body style so rarely seen today that even seasoned collectors pause when rolls into view. Not a post sedan, not a common cruiser, but a true pillarless hardtop, 4 doors wide open with nothing between you and the horizon but glass, chrome, and history. Back in 1958, Chevrolet wasn't building cars to blend in. They were building rolling statements, jet age optimism, ace race confidence. This was the year America believed tomorrow would be brighter, faster, and more beautiful, and the Bel Air was designed to reflect that belief in steel. Finished in its factory Snowcrest White, this car wears its original color like a tailored suit. Clean, elegant, timeless. Under the sunlight, the chrome doesn't just shine, it performs. From the dramatic quad headlights to the iconic side spears and sweeping rear fins, every line was sculpted to impress neighbors, strangers, and future generations alike. And then there's the roofline, no B-pillar, all 4 windows down, a full panoramic opening that turns the cabin into an open ballroom on wheels. This is what made the 4-door hardtop special then, and what makes it exceptionally rare now. Families love them. Collectors chased the 2 doors. Time erased most of these. The survivors, they matter. Slide inside, and you're greeted by something you almost never see anymore. Original interior character. Not over-restored, not modernized. Honest, authentic, the textures, the shapes, the steering wheel, the dash. This is exactly how 1958 felt to sit in. It smells like history, it looks like a postcard, and it reminds you that luxury didn't need screens or sensors. It needed craftsmanship and confidence. Turn the key, and beneath that long sculpted hood comes to life a 283 cubic inch V8, one of the most important engines Chevrolet ever built. Smooth, dependable, respectable, paired with an automatic transmission, this Bel Air wasn't meant to race, it was meant to glide. To cruise Main Street, to carry the family to Sunday dinner, to roll into drive-ins, weddings, graduations, and memories that lasted lifetimes. This is a car built for family fun, yes, but also for pride, because owning a Bel Air in 1958 meant you'd arrived. You didn't need to explain yourself, the car did it for you. On the road, it floats. The suspension absorbs the pavement like it was designed to protect not just passengers, but dignity. Steering is relaxed, commanding, unhurried. This car doesn't rush. It invites you to slow down, to wave back, to enjoy the journey instead of conquering it. And here's the thing, collectors understand, while 2-door Bel Airs dominate auction headlines, the 4-door hardtop tells a richer story. It speaks to real America. Families, road trips, shared laughter across a bench seat. It's the kind of classic you don't just polish, you use, the kind you bring your kids into, the kind you create new memories with while honoring old ones. Now let's talk value, because this is where things get interesting. At $32,995, right around $33,000, this Bel Air sits in a rare sweet spot. It's affordable enough to drive without fear, yet collectible enough to respect. It offers authentic 1950s luxury, true V8 power, rare body style pedigree, and original charm at a price point that makes sense in today's classic market. You're not buying hype, you're buying substance, you're buying something that cannot be recreated. Because no matter how many modern cars try to copy retro styling, none of them can replicate the feeling of sitting behind this wheel, looking over that hood, and knowing that this exact car has already lived an entire lifetime before you ever touch the key. This Bel Air doesn't shout, it doesn't need to, it commands attention with grace, with history. It's the car that makes strangers smile at stoplights, the car that turns parking lots into conversations, the car that reminds you why you fell in love with classics in the first place. A rarely seen 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door hardtop, a 283 V8 automatic cruiser, a Snowcrest White factory beauty, an original soul survivor built for families, memories, and timeless American cruising. If you're looking for the loudest car, keep scrolling. If you're looking for the fastest car, keep scrolling. But if you're looking for true 1950s elegance, authentic design, and a classic that tells a story every single time you open the door, this Bel Air is already waiting for you. And trust me, cars like this don't just get owned, they get remembered.